Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a fun UV kind of glitter that I am going to use to spice up this dip powder. So I am going to be taking Fairy Cotton from Double Dip, and this is this pretty like very pastel-y pink, and so I'm going to use their dip powder liquids today. What I actually really like about these, if you watched my review about Double Dip, they have like color coding. So you have like all the different steps so you don't mess up which one is which, because if you've been with me long enough, you know I mess up a ton of stuff. Alright, so I changed the shape of my nails. I already have a little bit of base coat of gel on because that's just me. And I am going to take, again, their liquid and work it down the side, across, and down the other side. So middle, side, side. And I like to cap it because I don't want that to get hard. So I like to shake it that way, so the opposite way I'm dipping. So when I go into dip, I can go the other way. And then I have that kind of falling on. Now I recommend, if you're new to this, grab yourself an orange wood stick and make sure you don't have any weird lines going on here. And you can actually break that open, and you can etch out more nail here. So I'm just going to let that dry and move on. I feel like most people don't close their base gel after each one. I like fully close it, so I reseal it because I find if I don't personally, then it will harden. I haven't had that issue with Double Dip, but I have had some in the past where it just was not working for me, because every time I would go in to use it, it would be hard, and it's really depressing when you want to change up your nails and it's hard. So again, taking that orange wood stick, and you want to be careful here because you're not going to want to roughly go across, because if your nail is still wet, which obviously it is because we're trying to take off some of that color, you could end up taking off parts you don't actually want to take off, so just keep that in mind. And I do like to leave a small gap because I don't mind redoing my nails, as I do this as a nice hobby for myself. AKA, I like to change up my nails like every day. Whoop, I knew that happened. Just a smidge. Same one, I hate size that bulge. And unfortunately, these guys tend to bulge on me, so because just the way my nail is, like I kind of have like points here, and every time I do my nails, I always have to be like extra careful of that, or just be aware of it. See, I'm not quite sure. If you look at it this way, I was aware on this side, either lazy or applied too much, so you can see that little point. So I'm gonna try to just press it in, but more than likely it won't. So you can kind of see the difference. This has a little bulge on that side. Hopefully we can get that out. Okay, just going to give this a little second to harden up, and then we'll apply the activator. All right, going to apply the activator, and I am very, very, very generous when it comes to the activator, because I find if you are stingy on this and it doesn't go all the way through, you're gonna have a sticky day. I actually touched that up a little bit because I'm just going to file it. Haven't decided if that was a good idea or not, or am I gonna have to do some work? No. Now, pro tip, I find after I let this activator sit and I go in and, you know, buff it, this one might need a file, the rest are just gonna be buffed, but you might want to wash your hands before going in with your top coat, because if you have any activator on that, this will harden pretty much instantly. Like, you go to use this the next time, it is donezo. So I usually wash my hands after using the activator and buffing, but if you don't, just keep in mind if your brush is hardening in this top coat, that could be why. But a lot of times I use a gel top coat, so even over like the normal glue, or I don't even know what this technically is. Alright, I'm going to take Gelish foundation, and I just get this off Amazon because it's easy. By the way, I will have everything linked that I can below. I do have a discount code with Double Dip. I will link that below as well. It is Vanessa 20, so everyone loves to save some dollar bills. Alright, so just applying this base coat because I personally like to place my glitter. So this is the glitter I have. Stunning glitter, and I feel like a lot of people sleep on glitter when it comes to dip nails. I'm also going to just stick a little bit of that base coat to the side if I need extra base to pick up. So I dumped a little bit in there, and we are going to start applying. And I want it to be random, but I don't want to fill the entire nail. So I don't want it to be a solid nail. I want it to be enhancing that pink color. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cure that, and let's repeat that process. You can use your base coat for this. However, what I will say is I don't like to work against time. So if you're using the base coat that is not a gel, you go against drying time if you're more skilled than I am. Totally should have just grabbed that to do the base. I have this as in a base for gel. Didn't really think of that. But again, make sure your activator is off. Usually gel doesn't get bothered by it, but I don't like activator on the nails. Literally obsessed. If you find you are too rough here, meaning that your glitter sticking up, you can do this top coat and then a file or buff and then come in with another one, or just go in with another top coat. I find personally if you keep most of your glitter towards the middle of the nail, meaning where your apex is, you won't have that bulky kind of look. Alright, I don't know if you're gonna see it on my nails, but I want to show you what this does. So this is a UV glitter, so you can see it's pink. Now it's purple, and my nails are purple. So I hope you can kind of see that it changes. Obviously on my hand they're not going to stay as dark as that because you can see it's already lightening up, but I just think it is so cool. Maybe that's blue, I don't know, but you can see it gets real. There, now you can see it. So I absolutely love this glitter. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love the fairy cotton base because it just kind of enhances the glitter without taking over. I just love it so much. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget I have a discount with Double Dip. I will link it below along with that fairy cotton. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.